Flirting can often feel like a daunting task, especially if you're unsure of how to approach it or worried about coming across the wrong way. However, with the right mindset and techniques, you can learn to flirt confidently and effectively. Here are 10 ways to confidently flirt with women, ensuring that you leave a positive impression and potentially spark a meaningful connection. Be genuine. One of the most important aspects of flirting is authenticity. Women appreciate honesty and can often tell when someone is being insincere. Instead of trying to be someone you're not, focus on highlighting your true self. Share your interests, passions, and values. Authenticity not only makes you more relatable, but also builds trust, which is crucial in any interaction. For instance, if you genuinely enjoy hiking, mention it and share a story about your latest adventure. This gives her insight into your life and shows that you're open and honest. Additionally, being genuine helps to avoid awkward situations where you might get caught in a lie or exaggeration. Use positive body language. Your body language can speak volumes even before you say a word. Open, positive body language can make you appear more approachable and attractive. This includes maintaining good posture, making eye contact, and smiling. Stand or sit up straight to convey confidence. Maintain eye contact to show interest. Smile genuinely to appear friendly and approachable. For example, if you're at a party and see someone you'd like to talk to, make sure your arms aren't crossed and that you're facing them. These small adjustments can make you seem more open and welcoming. Additionally, mirroring her body language subtly can create a sense of rapport and connection. Listen actively. Active listening is a powerful tool in any conversation, especially when flirting. It shows that you value what the other person has to say and that you're genuinely interested in getting to know them. Nod occasionally, provide appropriate feedback, and ask follow-up questions to demonstrate your engagement. This not only keeps the conversation flowing, but also makes the other person feel heard and appreciated. For example, if she mentions she likes a particular book, ask her what she enjoyed about it or how she discovered it. This shows you're paying attention and value her opinion. Active listening also involves noticing the emotions behind her words and responding empathetically. Compliment sincerely. Everyone enjoys a genuine compliment, and giving one can be a great way to flirt. The key is to make your compliments specific and sincere. Instead of generic compliments like "you look nice," try something more detailed such as "I really like your sense of style" or "your laugh is contagious." Specific compliments show that you are paying attention and that your praise is heartfelt. For example, if you notice she has a unique piece of jewelry, you might say, "That's a beautiful necklace. It really suits you." This shows you're observant and thoughtful. Avoid over-the-top compliments that might seem forced or insincere. Use humor. Humor is a fantastic way to break the ice and create a relaxed atmosphere. Lighthearted jokes, playful teasing, and shared laughter can all contribute to a fun and engaging interaction. Just be sure to keep your humor respectful and avoid any jokes that might be offensive or misunderstood. A good sense of humor can make you more attractive and help to build a connection. For example, if you find yourselves in an awkward silence, a lighthearted comment about the situation can ease the tension and make you both laugh. Remember, self-deprecating humor can also be effective as long as it's not too harsh. Show confidence. Confidence is often cited as one of the most attractive qualities. When you approach a woman with confidence, it shows that you believe in yourself and that you are comfortable in your own skin. Confidence can be conveyed through your posture, your speech, and your actions. Speak clearly, avoid fidgeting, and don't be afraid to take the lead in the conversation. For instance, if you're at a social gathering, don't be afraid to start a conversation by introducing yourself with a smile and a firm handshake. This shows you're sure of yourself and comfortable in social situations. Confidence also means being willing to take risks, such as approaching someone new or making a bold statement. Be respectful. Respect is crucial when flirting. This means respecting personal boundaries, listening to her responses, and being mindful of her comfort level. If she seems uninterested or asks for space, it's important to respect that. Being respectful shows that you care about her feelings and that you are considerate of her needs. For example, if she mentions she's not comfortable discussing a certain topic, gracefully change the subject and don't press further. Respecting her boundaries will make her feel safe and respected. Additionally, being respectful includes being polite and courteous, such as holding the door open or saying please and thank you. Be playful. Playfulness can add an element of fun to your interactions and make you more memorable. This could involve light teasing, playful banter, or even small, innocent physical gestures like a light touch on the arm. The key is to keep it lighthearted and fun, ensuring that it doesn't cross any boundaries or make her feel uncomfortable. For example, if you're sharing a funny story, a light touch on her shoulder can enhance the connection as long as it's done respectfully and she seems comfortable. Playfulness also involves being spontaneous and adventurous, suggesting fun activities or surprises. Make her feel special. Everyone likes to feel special, and one of the best ways to flirt is to make her feel like she's the only person in the room. Give her your full attention. Remember details about what she says, and show genuine interest in her as a person. Small gestures like these can make a big difference and show her that you truly value her. For instance, if she mentioned her favorite band in a previous conversation, bringing it up later shows you are paying attention and care about her interests. Making her feel special can also involve complimenting her unique qualities, such as her intelligence, kindness, or sense of humor. Practice and learn. Flirting, like any other skill, gets better with practice. Don't be discouraged by setbacks or rejections. Instead, view them as opportunities to learn and improve. Pay attention to what works and what doesn't, and be willing to adapt your approach based on your experiences. Over time, you'll become more comfortable and confident in your flirting abilities. For example, if you notice that certain compliments or topics of conversation elicit positive responses, make a mental note to use them in future interactions. Learning from each experience will help you refine your approach and become a more effective flirt. Additionally, seeking feedback from trusted friends can provide valuable insights into how you can improve. For more contents like this, click here to subscribe.